Assalamualaikum, hi everyone, welcome to Ftuned Racing Suspension. So this is our HQ building. I'm Shariza Jamaluddin as a test driver for Ftuned. Today we're gonna do an installation day for Bentley Continental GT. So welcome and follow us to our showroom. Let's go! Okay, and now we at Ftuned Installation Center. So this is the task for us today. Bentley Continental GT production 2003 to 2011. So this is the old suspension, also the air suspension of this Bentley. So we're gonna replace with our new GT series Hilosofthard. So welcome, follow me. What we're doing now is assemble, putting back everything in one piece before we do an installation. We are measuring the spring preload. Okay, yep. So what it's doing now?
Hi, I'm Farouk. Today we have the Bentley Continental GT and we are installing the Ftuned suspension, monotube front and rear with adjustable damping, adjustable height with Bodyshift. It came with top mounts for the front and rear. The spring rates were selected to match with the specifically tuned internal damping of the shock so that the Bentley will have the best ride and handling balance suited to the car's character.
Ftuned, tuned for perfection.